So the
कुछ
point,
तो-
the discussion is how we met.
No, so this
Why-
is how we met.
where is this going
This is how we
towards?
met. No, this is our first meeting.
Knee on.
Ni hao.
How is that supposed to be with our interiors? नहीं ये गलत है.
Okay.
No, no, no.
100% सच नहीं है. No तो नहीं बोलना है. ये 100% सच नहीं है.
Who made the first move?
No, sorry. I made the first.
He made the first.
I made the
was
first.
like, Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Guide, Know Your Architect / Designer. On the couch today we have a very amazing couple. One's a shoe fanatic, if you can see the shoes, I think you can assume who. And the other one is Emily in Paris. Both are crazy fashionistas, love to travel, and at times they can be couch potatoes and at the same time crazy party animals. On the couch we have today the founder and principal architects of KV Designs. Just gonna start the podcast by asking y'all how y'all are feeling today.
Feeling really nice and happy to be here.
Amazing.
Same here. It's our first podcast, so just hoping that it goes nice.
Amazing. Now, before we dive into the architecture and interior part, want to understand how y'all started off this relationship.
Okay, so basically it was this, that the firm that we were initially working at, where she happens to join in later, I was the associate there.
Okay.
And so it was something like that one of our contracting vendor,
Okay.
so he happens to suggest her name, and then later on she came on board while she was basically doing her architecture, and that's how she actually just came in, just to have the feel of how the place be, how the work happens and things as such. That is how she came in.
This is back when? Which year?
This was 5 years back.
5 years back. Okay.
So that's how it started. So the first impression, I would rather say this
Oh, yes.
in a very nicer way.
Yeah.
So so basically this site was not in Bombay.
Okay.
We were doing a bungalow in Ahmedabad,
Oh, nice.
where so regular site visits were happening, and I traveled that morning. I went there, and my boss happens to tell me this, that there's an intern who's going to join.
Okay.
So please make sure that she gets to know what the work is, how things are. And that's how it started.
Okay.
So I reached on the site, and she happens to call me saying like, I'm on site.
Okay.
So that's how, and I being reaching a site, so the moods are such that you may actually don't know what kind of language does that comes out as. So
Right.
it was a little rude of me saying "हाँ तो है तो क्या." So
Oh,
it was something
okay.
like that. And then she like, where are you? I asked her, like she's waiting in the main area. I said, I'm standing outside and it's not, I can't see you anywhere. That's how I started the whole conversation. So for her, me being very khadus.
Oh.
So I was something in that kind of a thing. So that's how we started on a very good note.
Okay, that's your
honestly.
good.
So yeah, that's how the journey started, where we met on site, and then the interaction went on, kind of liked each other, and so yeah, that's how things moved ahead.
What about your perspective?
A lot of details were missed. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. So what happened
You want to go in
was-
details, is it?
Yeah.
Of course.
Okay.
Of course. They want to know it in detail. That's the reason I want to go in details.
Such details, some details are not which are to be
No, that's not
mentioned.
the thing.
Okay.
So what happened was, my mama,
Okay.
he was the AC dealer in that particular bungalow. So all the air conditioners which were put was by my mama.
Okay.
So then, so I'm born and half brought up in Bombay.
Okay.
But then I had to shift to Ahmedabad due to my dad's business. So
Okay.
once a person lives in Bombay, it's not possible to
Yeah.
stay anywhere else. So I was anyways very into a trauma that I had to move to Ahmedabad. But then I did my half schooling and I did my architecture in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
But then it always used to be like that I am not going to stay here, I'm going to go back to Bombay, like to my parents.
Right.
So that used to be the thing. And then it happened that I was about to complete my architecture, and the fifth year, like the last semester, is the fourth year, I don't remember, but
Okay.
the 8th semester or the 10th semester is the internship.
Okay.
So my mama happens to be the AC
AC
dealer, so he
vendor.
anyways has to deal with a lot of architects and designers because
Right.
he has to put ACs in
Yeah.
all the residences and all. So I used to tell him that next year my this thing internship is going to come.
Yeah.
So you just keep in mind if there's any good designer or
Right.
someone with whom I can work.
Yeah.
So, and he knew that I was more interested going to Bombay.
Mhm.
So he was doing this bungalow in which they were the designers.
Okay.
So he was like, there's this architect called Ajay Sharma, and they are doing this bungalow of
Right.
this thing. So if you are interested, I can talk to him and let's see how it goes. I was
Okay.
like, yeah, that's okay. So then he happened to talk to him.
Okay.
And then our boss, the
Right.
sir, he was like, yeah, then we can have breakfast tomorrow morning. You get her. So
Okay.
me, my mama, and my dad, he was not there for the
Okay.
breakfast. Only the boss was there. So
Okay.
then he introduced me and he was like, yeah, so you can, this site is going on. You can come directly on the site and you can start doing that. So I was like, and till that time I've never been on sites and I was
Oh.
not fond of sites. I
Oh.
was like, it's very messy, it's very dusty, it's
Right.
also very hot over there. I can't go on sites. And
Right.
She
I
was utterly decked up at that time.
Okay.
Morning,
Oh.
10 o'clock.
so then
Yeah.
the boss, he happens to tell me that you have to connect with Kaushal. He's the associate of my firm and he's the one who looks in and out about everything of the work.
Got it.
So I was like, okay. And anyways, my mama also used to talk to me like before he introduced me to the firm. He was
Yeah.
like, there's this guy, Kaushal, he's really nice. He dresses up really nice. And
Uh-huh.
so there were a lot of praising already happened before.
Okay.
But I was like, हाँ ठीक है अभी होगा.
Huh.
So then after that breakfast, I had to call him to
Okay.
inform him that I
You're
met
join-
with the
yeah.
boss today and he's told me to join the site from next meeting whenever you come to Ahmedabad.
Okay.
So, and at that point of time, I was very awkward. Like, I didn't like to call unknown people and talk
Oh.
samne se.
Okay.
So then the schedule of theirs was like every Thursdays they used to come to Ahmedabad.
Okay.
2 days ka meeting hota tha. Saturday they used to leave or Friday night they used to leave.
Got it.
So this breakfast happened on Thursday already.
Thursday.
That meeting I was not supposed to attend because it was already like almost
Yeah.
done. So I had to wait till next Thursday.
Next,
So I
yeah.
had to call him. So I had a 7 days ka window in which I had to call him
Okay.
because next Thursday I had to be on site.
Right.
I didn't call. Then finally Wednesday came in and I was like, abhi karna padega. So then I did call him. He was clueless because of course the boss didn't tell him कि ऐसा कुछ
Okay.
बात हुआ.
Right.
I did call him and he was like, okay, I'll be on site tomorrow by 10, you be there.
Okay.
I reached and I called him. I was like, yeah, sir, I am on site. I'm standing outside. He was like, outside where?
Oh.
That was his tone.
Okay.
So I was like, I'm standing at the foyer area. So he was like, okay. And then he came in. There was no hi, hello, nothing. It was so weird. He just
Okay.
walked in towards me. He was like, yeah, you just look around, you just observe things and then report to me after 2 hours. Okay, so I'm not having any layout of the house.
Okay.
I don't know what room is what. I don't know what the hell is happening in because I'm an
New,
architect.
yeah?
I was an architecture student at that time. I didn't know anything about interiors.
Okay, so yeah, that was your first time,
Yeah,
right?
and
Okay.
anyways, it was my first site. It was a 20,000 square feet site.
Oh my god.
And I had no clue what is happening over here. I was like, okay. I went through, it was a huge space. It was
Right.
a multi-millionaire person ka bungalow that we were doing.
Okay.
So then, of course, unka ghar is going to be not like a normal person's house.
course.
There are going to be a lot of extra things in the house,
Right.
which I never thought of. So 10 minute में मैंने घूम लिया पूरा. So I was like, I was a college student, so I was like, अब मैं 10 मिनट में जाके बोलूँगी कि I have done, like मैंने घूम
done
लिया,
with
then I'm sure he's going to roast me. इतनी देर में क्या देख लिया? Okay, tell me what is this, what is that? I was
Right.
like, I'll take some more time so that he feels that
That you did.
I
Yeah.
have actually observed,
Yeah.
but I didn't know what to observe.
Okay.
So again, I just roamed around and all, and then I again then went and told him. I'm
No,
like,
no, you missed the detail. You kept on guessing this would be this, this
yeah,
would be this.
so
Okay.
yeah, so there were spaces.
Right.
So then किसी ने बताया नहीं कौन सा space क्या है. I
हाँ,
didn't have the
yeah.
layout.
Right.
He didn't even feel like, you know, कि मेरे को बताया कि okay, see, कि ये living area ये. So I went around. Well, a lot of bedrooms. So I was first. So I didn't even know कितने लोग रहने वाले हैं घर में.
You had nothing.
I
no
had
details.
nothing.
So there was no back details because I was not aware that she
It's
was
completely new to
yeah. So there were a lot of things
Right.
Still.
back and forth in that.
Still.
Still.
Okay.
So
बताना चाहिए.
so then I went in and I was like, okay, ये होगा master bedroom. Okay, ये होगा ये. Now,
Okay.
actually में जो master bedroom था, of course, when there's such big house, there will be a master bedroom and there will be a walk-in area and there will
Right.
be a bathroom. So
Right.
there are 3 spaces with the bedroom.
Yeah.
There was this bedroom. There were total four spaces. So I was like, ठीक है, एक bedroom हो गया, एक walk-in हो गया,
You
एक
started-
bathroom हो गया, ये चौथा क्या है? I'm not understanding any. I was like, room के अंदर room क्यों है? What is this?
Room
I was like, I don't know what is happening over here, and I was just after some time I'm like, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है इधर. It is anyway so hot, and you know I'm not feeling
My
fine.
makeup is dripping.
So I went to him and I was like, sir, I have looked around, I've
Yeah.
seen. इतने जल्दी हो गया? What did you see?
Okay.
I was blank. I was like, this is my first time. I just saw whatever I'm understanding. Okay, he took me to a wall. Okay, tell me what is this? How would I know? I was like, I don't know. Can you please explain me? थोड़ा बहुत explain किया and again he was here and there and all. जैसे तैसे मैंने 4 बजाए वो site पे doing nothing.
Okay.
Because he was so roaming around with the
Right.
contractors and all because week में एक ही बार आते थे तो of course there's a lot of mess on site.
Right.
There's the boss जिनके साथ मैंने breakfast किया, he also walked in and he's not talking to me. He's like all unknown, जैसे जानते ही नहीं मुझे. I'm
Oh,
like, you तो had breakfast with me, at least talk to me थोड़ा so that I can feel, you know,
Right.
some like.
So the
कुछ
point,
तो,
the discussion is how we met.
no, so
Why-
this is how we met.
where is this
This
going
is how we
towards?
met. No, this is our first meeting.
Right. Right.
So this is our first meeting and all of these things that happened, nobody is talking, nothing, and 4 bajaye, no food, no nothing to drink, nothing, like of course water. But yeah, it was so messy.
Dry state है वो.
तो भी पानी भी नहीं था.
Okay.
So, and then that was my first meeting with him, which was very bad. I went home and I told my mom that I'm not going on this site from tomorrow. People are so mean. Nobody's talking. That Kaushal guy, he didn't talk to me. There was no hi, hello, nothing. I can't go on this site. Anyways, I don't like it and all. So my
Okay.
dad was like, "Ki, see, this is how it works.
Okay.
You कल का दिन एक बार चली जा. Even though then you are not comfortable, then you don't go from next week."
Okay.
So I was like, okay. The next day I went. I don't know क्या खा के आया था.
Oh.
The moment I walked in, he reached early. मैं थोड़ा 15 minutes I was late. So he came in and बहुत अच्छे से he shook hands with me. He said, he
Oh.
told me a hi. There was a nice small hug. And then I was like, हाँ अभी मजा आया. Now this is fine. Now I'll come every week.
Okay.
Now that's okay. So then from there it started. So for 2 months it just went on like work conversations.
Okay.
And after 2 months we started talking apart from work also.
Oh.
So that's how it started and that's how we met.
Who made the first move? You're
No,
kidding.
sorry. I made the first.
He made the
Oh,
first
I made the
I was
first
like, okay.
He made
I
the
made the
first
first
move.
move, yeah.
But बस वो करके then he was
हो गया
all
मेरा
done.
काम का दान.
उसके बाद का सब काम मैंने
No,
किया है.
not entirely true.
Okay.
Like,
It is true.
यार, come on.
He
you
just asked
just
me
can't take
out.
the entire credit
He
for
just
this. Come
asked
on.
me
Okay.
out, for which of course I said a yes, and that was a very friendly thing. He was like, show me. So he, as usual, Ahmedabad every week he used to come.
Right.
So Thursday mornings he used to come, and then directly there used to be the meetings. But that was the only week where he came on Wednesday night
Okay.
because he was flying from Rajasthan.
Okay.
So that night he was going to be free.
Okay.
So that तभी तक तो you know for the 2 months we were just talking work. I just had to report things to him, what is happening on site and all of those things. So then that was the time when he told me that I'm coming early today. Show me your city.
Oh.
So that's how.
that was an
the-
indirect way.
Yeah. So
चल
that
बाहर
was
चलते
the
हैं.
first move from his end, and after that conversation, it was every day that we used to talk, be it
Ah.
work or be it something else.
But
Till
just don't say that all you will take the entire credit that
So after
all the
this-
efforts were only by you
that
and
thing
not
got
by me.
initiated with his message. No?
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay. So you made the first move.
Yeah.
Now, listening to so many praises from your family, from your mama, that Kaushal is like this, and then you met him in reality, and then how did that turn into love? Because you had this very khadoos version of
Yeah.
him.
So I'll share this also. So as my mama used to tell me, so पहले तो मैंने इतना I was like होगा, but then he used to like literally praise him that the way he
Right.
works and everything is all good, but
Yeah.
his appearance and everything. So then I just thought of, and so my mama, he came to my house, तभी ये बात हुआ था. So then he also opened his profile and showed me कि see, this is the guy I'm talking about. I said,
Okay.
so I was like हाँ
I
ठीक
was
है
being
like.
stalked.
Oh.
No, because my mama used to follow him, no, on Instagram. They were working together, no?
Okay.
So they were on Instagram on each other's profile.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, हाँ, okay, like
ठीक
तभी
है.
भी मैंने दे दिया phone वापस. But then
Okay.
the first time when I went, I actually liked his appearance and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So after coming back, like then I opened his profile on, and luckily his profile was open. It was not
You didn't have to
locked.
send.
So I didn't have to follow him, but I was having all the perks.
Mm.
सब मजा में ऐसे ही follow किए बिना. So I stalked him and how
See?
like.
Yeah.
So I am accepting. I stalked him. And now so I used to check. And that time he was very active, and like wherever he goes out, even for a dinner or even for like a small outing, he used to post it on his stories.
Okay.
So I used to check all his stories.
Hmm.
I used to पूरा नीचे तक जब
Oh my
जो
God.
first post था वहाँ तक जाकर I
In-depth research.
I checked everything.
The whole friends list,
Yeah.
everything.
Oh my god.
Everything I did because.
Okay, because.
Again, so then धीरे of course I started liking him. It was a crush that converted into this. So then first I got to know that he is the associate of the firm. That means he is very elder to me.
Okay.
Okay, so then first thing I had to go and check was the birth date. So it's
Okay.
10 years difference between us.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So I just saw that. I was like, okay, 10 years है चलेगा, घर से कुछ कोई मना नहीं करेगा.
चलेगा.
I know my parents. So I was like, and 10 years is normal. It's fine.
Yeah.
For me, it's normal.
I mean, age is not a.
Yeah. So then I was like, okay,
True.
तो अभी आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. Now second thing was, he is in his 30s. I am in my 20s.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, I have to now see either he's divorced or he's already
my
married or he has a kid or something. I was like, पहले सब मैं देख लूँ फिर मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ.
True, you should
कुछ
do
हो
that.
तो
yeah.
then I don't want to get into that mess.
Yeah, yeah.
So then that's the reason I stalked him and how.
Okay.
So then I kept on stalking him, and then I got to know that he's
Clean shit.
completely single. So I was like, let's move forward.
Amazing. Oh my god. What was your first impression of her?
I told you that she was way too decked up for a site visit.
Okay.
So that was my first impression. Like,
Okay.
"Whoa, what is this? Like this is not like a fashion show or a place where you need to be actually really dressed up. So she was early in the morning, so really dressed up. Is somewhere. Obviously, she was looking beautiful,
Right.
but keeping that perspective or that mindset is like on site, no one comes like this. Is the whole thing. Then slowly, gradually, we liked each other.
Right.
Obviously, she was looking beautiful then as well, and now as well.
Right.
So that's something constant. Here things have changed a bit, but over here things are very constant.
Nice.
Yeah.
You seem like a pure extrovert and you seem like a pure introvert. How do you all mix well?
Opposite attract.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how it worked.
Amazing. That was a very nice, sweet journey of yours. Now getting into the profession.
Yes.
I'm gonna start with you first. How did you get into this profession and why?
So basically, I was always very attracted towards something creative.
Okay.
Like right from my childhood, doing sketches, doing more of creative things. So this was the thing where I was somewhere my mind or my passion or everything was towards doing something more creative.
Got it.
I used to love styling a lot. I always used to do that. So there was a dilemma then that either I enter into fashion or either I enter into interiors.
Okay.
So between that two, I had to take a choice.
Right.
And apparently what happened where I used to live, my neighbor's house, work started at the age when I was about to pass on school to college.
Oh, nice.
So that's when that particular thing happened. So that took a year's time,
Mm-hmm.
and I used to regularly visit and starting to love that kind of a thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I made up my mind that I want to be an interior designer.
Okay.
And fashion continued along.
Yeah, you
So
can see that.
that's something which happened. So yeah,
Okay.
that's how I kind of got into this, and now very passionate about what I'm doing.
Right. But back in the days, I mean, the major professions were doctor, CA.
Yes.
So, what was your parents' reaction when you wanted to get into this field?
So that's where I would rather say that I was blessed that there was no pressure on me that I have to take certain things only, or this is where everyone is doing, so you also have to do this. There was no such kind of pressure. Like whatever you like, you feel that you can do good, you're enjoying, go ahead with it. So that was
Okay.
the freedom which was there.
And your friends, are they into this industry or?
So the close buddies, childhood friends,
Right.
they all are scattered, like with different
Okay.
professions. So there's no one that are doing this kind of.
Oh, nice. Are you the only one who's an architect in your family?
In my family, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
so no nepotism. Nice. What about
Not
you?
with the background of architects or
Right.
designers. So that's something which was never there.
Okay,
So
nice.
my dad always was a businessman,
Okay.
and that is how it was. His dad, like my grandfather, was also
Right.
into it. So they all were businessmen. So we
Oh.
had their shops or say production places. That's how it was.
Oh.
Nothing regarding this. It's just that I was into a different mindset that I don't want to sit or do continue what he's doing.
Okay.
So this is how it was.
Nice. Inspiration came from the fashion and styling. That's why
Yes.
you wanted to do it. Nice. What about you?
This thing I didn't know it was similar, but
Oh, okay.
so earlier I wanted to get into fashion designing,
Oh,
but my
I mean,
mom
you look like.
yeah, but my mom, she didn't allow me. She was like, so she had that mentality or something that no, it is a glamorous line, so
Right. Yeah.
I don't want to put you into that and all.
Mhm.
So she was like, there are other designing this thing fields also, and
Right.
so you do a research by yourself and then you move forward. So I was like, fine. By the time I was, so one thing was very clear with me, I can't do reading, like the
Okay.
reading subjects,
Right.
learn karne ka, ye sab nahi hoega.
Okay.
So that was there, and anyways, I was also very much into drawing and everything. So
Oh,
I was
nice.
very fond of creative things in that way. So then I did a research where I got to know about interior designing. This was
Okay.
in 7th, 8th grade that I started.
7th, 8th. So
Yeah, so I
early.
started 7th, 8th grade. I was like, I want to get into fashion designing.
Okay, nice.
Where I used to sometimes discuss with my mom, she was like, no, that is not a good field. I don't want to put you into that. But there are other designing fields also.
Right.
So then I used to like randomly see things, and also I got to know, okay, so there is this thing also where you can decorate houses,
Okay.
which is
Nice,
apparently
so yeah,
interior
interior designing.
designing and all of those things. So then I researched about it, and by the time I got in my 10th grade, after that we have to select commerce or science.
Yeah.
So it depends on what field you want to
Right.
do. So then I was like, तब तक architecture का पता चला.
Hmm.
So then honestly at that time architecture का इतना knowledge नहीं था,
Yeah.
right? But then there was someone who told that, see, if you do architecture ना, you will get double degree. आर्किटेक्चर का तो मिलेगा ही और इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग का भी मिलेगा. So you will be able to do both the things
Got
after you
it.
pass out. So I was like, this is good, I should do architecture.
Okay.
Without thinking, without researching what is it exactly and all of those things. And I was like, yeah, I'm going to do architecture, commerce lena hai, and because science तो
Right.
no.
इसको बोलते पक्का गुजराती.
Yeah, so I was like,
कम में ज़्यादा.
double degree मिल रहा है. But then, so that's how I ended up into architecture, and it was a trauma for me. It's a
Yeah.
5-year course.
Exactly.
It is like, it is a course which is as difficult as doctor or lawyer. I was like,
And the
what have I
bonus-
got into?
And the
This
bonus
is,
is you don't like reading.
yeah.
And
No, architecture, there's not much of reading.
Oh, okay.
It's more of technicals.
Technical.
And I am a person who don't like technicals. Of
Oh.
course, in interior designing also have to take care of
Right.
technicals, but it's not always that.
Okay.
But into architecture, you have to think that first.
Yeah.
Of course, the design and technicals go hand in hand, but
Mhm.
you have to pay more attention towards technicals.
Right.
And I was like, oh my god, I've made a huge mistake of my life. What have I done? So in the second year, I was also ready to drop out.
Oh
I
God.
was like, I can't do this. I'll switch my this thing into interior designing. जो पहले सोचा था वही अच्छा था, वही कर लेती. And जैसे तैसे I completed my architecture.
And proudly you did that.
Yeah, so that was the biggest achievement that I completed my architecture. आगे जो होने वाला होगा होएगा, but अभी तो complete किया. That is a very big thing. So that's how I ended up
Right.
taking this profession.
Nice.
And then of course I met him, and apart from all of other things, the best thing that I found was that I came into an office. So
Right.
whenever you join an office, it is very important that किसके अंडर तुम काम कर रहे हो, what guidance you are going to get, what
True,
way
yes.
you are going to get. And that was the best thing that happened, his guidance, his way of making us teach and everything. So then it was all good.
Nice. Which college did you all study in for architecture?
So I have done it from LS Raheja.
LS Raheja.
Yeah.
And I have done it from Ahmedabad,
Okay.
Anant National University.
Okay.
So I did my architecture from that college.
Now being 5 years into the education system, what's the core memory?
So it's been 6 years for me in this, like practicing.
Right.
The core memory, I
You're
would
talking
say,
about the
College,
during
yeah.
the college
Yeah.
during
time.
the college.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I would say it's a bad memory.
Bad memory?
Yeah. The juries were very traumatic for
Okay.
me.
Uh,
I can only remember that out
so
of
I
my
think
college.
every architecture student is going to say this
Yeah.
somewhere or the
Okay.
other.
So jury आ रहा है, मतलब oh my god, what is going to happen? Like we used to shiver and everything. क्योंकि of course कितना भी काम करके रखा है बोर्ड पे, it's कम ही है.
Okay.
और सब गलत ही है according to the jurors. और
Okay.
सब what nonsense is this, वही है.
Hmm.
होता होगा शायद, but then still. So that is the only memory. If anybody asks me about the college,
Yeah.
I just get into the jury thing. That
Into
was
the jury.
traumatic. Yeah.
What about you? Core memory?
So the core memory were holding that T scale and the box where we used to put our A3 papers,
Okay.
traveling through that.
Mm-hmm.
So that is our core memory. So the T scale was such that
Right.
it was such a big piece
Mm-hmm.
where obviously at that point of time we used to travel by bus or train.
Right.
With the rush and everything, we had a
Yeah.
fear that it will break. And while reaching there, if it breaks, the whole day goes to waste.
Right.
So initially, we were not allowed to keep it in the school, in the college then.
Okay.
So that is what the problem was. So that's one thing was a little traumatizing, as well as the memories that how we used to take them along. And this was something there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice. Now getting to KV Designs. How did this firm start?
So KV is Kaushal
Right.
Vishwa. So the
Oh.
initials have been,
Yeah.
Merged.
yeah,
Okay, nice.
that's how it is.
So how did you all start off? Because I know people usually prefer to work, and now being full-time entrepreneurs, how does it work for you all? And being husband and wife, that's the bonus. Which is-
So yes, it started in a way that obviously we wanted to open our own firm,
Okay.
and this is how it initially started.
This is which year we're talking about? When did you all start?
So I was always in this profession for quite a
Right.
while, where I used to do freelancing work.
Okay.
Never
nice.
had my name to a firm.
Okay.
That is how it was.
Mm-hmm.
So while doing that, I never thought of putting it in a way that there has to be a brand name also.
Okay.
I always used to think that my name is more than enough. How it actually happened.
Okay.
But then later on, we got into a common grounds where we discussed and that did this way that let's put a name
Okay.
and then form this like a company. So that's
Okay.
how we did it.
Okay.
And she's the malkin of it.
Mm. So you all started in which year, this firm?
So this firm, like
Yeah.
I would say that we gave a name
Okay.
to
2 years
3
back.
years, 2 years back.
2 years back.
Okay, nice.
But then
The name,
it,
basically.
the
But
name.
we used to always
But it was
keep our
always
work.
going on. He was doing this ever since.
Okay.
So the work was going on.
Mhm.
There were personal projects going on and everything. But then, like when we were about to get married, like during our courtship, I planned off this thing that since you are doing your own projects and
Right.
it's turning out also that really good, then we should be having a name to it.
Right.
There should be a systematic way of taking this forward.
By the way, sorry to interrupt.
Huh?
Our marriage, like during our wedding times, our
Right.
hashtag was love at first sight.
Right.
Sight means
Yeah,
SIT.
SIT.
Yeah. That's our
Okay. Nice.
hashtag.
So yeah, so that's how I was like, ki, let's give it a name and let's start it as a firm.
Okay.
Let's do it in a systematic way. We should have a page and everything. So that's how KV started 2 years back.
Okay.
But the
The
work was going on since
Yeah.
years.
So नामकरण ही हुआ है.
हाँ.
Nice. Okay. And how has it been working together? Both of your reactions are like, yeah,
I
tell
think
me
it's-
about it.
उसके लिए बहुत time लगेगा ना. So there is lot of things in that.
Oh, come
Obviously,
on, Siddharth.
it's more like a roller coaster.
Okay.
There is always ups and downs, swirl here, everything. Yes, but what is good about us working together is commonly we know that what we are going to end up doing is something which will be worth the client who stays.
Right.
So that's something which is there, design point of view, aesthetic point of view, detail point of view, all those things where we are on a common grounds
Okay.
with more of an arguments here and there. So that's how it is.
Your perspective. How is it working with your husband?
It's good, to be honest.
Okay.
Not much of problems. Like a lot of people, they say that, how do you guys do this? तुम लोग 24 घंटा साथ में ही होते हो.
Exactly.
So is it? So I am like, अभी तक तो नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा. Like we are
Okay.
fine. Like during work, we both are into work,
Mhm.
and so we have made it very clear, and we have created very clear boundaries, I would say,
Okay.
that during work it's work, but then when the working hours are done, there won't be anything regarding work.
I was
So
coming to
that's the
that,
reason
yeah.
we are not bored
Having more
with each
balance.
other's company. But then during work also, there will be not much of any other discussions happening.
Okay.
So we have
ऐसे नहीं है, होते रहते, बहुत करती है.
कम होते हैं, इतने नहीं होते.
हाँ, हाँ.
Only when there is something very serious and I want to fight at that particular
Fight.
time, तभी.
See,
Fight. Okay.
But then
I was very polite at saying that
then-
arguments.
Yeah.
But then
The real things are coming
those
out.
things have also now decreased.
Oh.
Starting में it used to be more.
Okay.
Now I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, आएगा शाम को तब बात करेंगे. ठीक है, जब शाम को मिलेंगे तब बात करेंगे.
Okay.
Earlier I used to be, अरे ये हुआ है, अभी clear करना है. Now I'm not like that.
Oh, nice.
So then yeah, working together is pretty good. It's
Okay.
nice. We enjoy working together and it's going on really nice.
Why I'm asking is because you all are both together in the same profession.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to understand, do you all bring work back home?
No, we don't.
No.
Not at all. Not at all. Yeah, sometimes
Some days,
when,
yes,
yeah,
but-
when something is like there's a deadline or
Yeah.
something is urgent, we do discuss. But वो discussion भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आधा घंटा,
Mm-hmm.
like max 45 minutes, it's done.
Okay.
So those days will be like in a year, like 5 to 6 days वैसा होगा कि we have got back a work conversation at home. Otherwise, then as I told you, the
Right.
boundaries are pretty clear.
Amazing. What was your mindset when you all decided to give this a brand? Because I know a lot of thoughts must be there. Will this work out well?
Yeah.
Because there are many interior designers and architects who want to start up their own firm.
Right.
So what should be their mindset and what would be your advice to them?
You want to start?
Yeah. So I think you should always take baby steps,
Okay.
is what my this thing is. First thing is, I have seen a lot of freshers, like जैसे ही college खत्म हुआ, they have done their internship
Right.
and they are like, we want to start our own firm.
Mm-hmm.
According to me, according to my experience, that's not how it should be.
Okay.
You should be working under some experienced person for a year or 2 years or something
Right.
where you learn things in a systematic way.
Yeah.
Apart from just learning work, there are also many other things that goes in office, which
Of
is
course,
very
yeah.
important to learn.
Right.
How to manage a office, how to run it,
Yeah.
all of those things also you have to experience going in an office and then starting your own firm or your own
True,
studio
yes.
or whatever. So I would say that that is the first step which
Mm-hmm.
you should be taking. And then see, experience milega,
Yeah.
then you're good to go with anything.
Okay.
Even if you're going to start your own firm and office, still that there are a lot of learnings that are going to happen.
Yeah.
It's not कि 2 साल का ही काम किया, 5 साल काम किया, so you are done. No.
True.
But then experience is the most important thing. You
Important.
can't, because I have a lot of friends in this industry and a lot of people who I know,
Mm-hmm.
they have done it in this way.
Okay.
That right after internship they have started their own thing.
Okay.
It's a very good thing. I'm not saying a no, but then there are a lot of things in which they are lacking, and that lacking thing is only happening because they have not worked under
True.
an experienced person.
So you would say experience actually shapes
Yeah.
and helps you forward.
Yes, definitely.
True.
So firstly, one thing is very important, that you need to be honest to your page. Like if you uploading things or whatsoever, that needs to be what you have done.
Yeah.
Show your purity. Does not matter it's the smallest thing or the biggest thing that you've done.
Yeah.
Be honest at what you're actually showing people,
Right.
and let your work speak for everything.
Mm-hmm.
Rest everything will follow on its own.
True,
That's
yeah.
something which should be there.
You said about honesty. Now with AI and social media coming in, I'm for sure you must be having a lot of 3D renders and then Pinterest
Right.
clients coming in. How do you handle that? Yeah.
So AI is something which we are completely against.
Okay.
I am particularly.
Mm.
I feel that's where a person is going to lose a lot of his own perspective about how to design,
Right.
do something new,
Mm-hmm.
do something on your own. There are multiple things.
Right.
Again, AI can be a tool where it can be used to certain things if you restrict it in a way that it's going to help you to develop what you want.
Yeah.
If that is where that technology is being shaped or used, then it's the best thing.
Okay.
But as you said, renders and things as
Yeah.
such, then we are not designers. If it is somewhere that things are just been taken from the internet everywhere, bits and pieces, clubbed together and then put it on like in a platter which is like so easy,
Yeah.
then we are not designers. So I would never appreciate those kind of work. But
Okay.
yes, how to make yourself better in creativity or in giving a good product or good final output, for that if you're using such tools or
Right.
media is very good
Okay.
Right.
in that way.
Your perspective?
It's pretty much same. I would
Okay.
just say that AI should not dominate you. Like,
Mm-hmm.
you know, you in that also you should be making the clear boundaries. कहाँ तक AI use करना चाहिए and then where you should stop. Like, you
Okay.
know. So yeah, I would say that earlier, like during our initial years of our college, we used to sketch a lot.
Yeah, I was just getting that.
Yeah.
Do you all still sketch?
Yeah, we
Yes.
do.
Amazing. Okay.
So now that thing AI is not going to ever do it.
Right.
Right? That is our imagination, that is our thinking, which we are trying to put on paper and then create that on AutoCAD and then create the 3D out of it.
Right.
And that output is completely different, which AI is not going to, like, it won't be able to do
Yeah.
it. So that's the only thing.
Because of AutoCAD, the sketching part is basically gone. So the
It-
T-scale
exactly.
problem that we used to face,
Yeah.
younger generations are not facing that problem. So that is something which they have.
What about Pinterest clients?
Pinterest client, yes.
Yeah.
Those are the pains.
How do you feel when they come like, हमको यही चाहिए हमारे room में? What is your take on that?
So, when it comes to me, my only answer is I'll keep this in mind.
Okay.
I got to know that what your
Ideology is.
ideology regarding a house is. I'm not going to give you this,
Oh.
but I'll get inspired by this particular thing that you've showed me, and I'll give you the same mood
Mm.
in your house. So
Okay.
that's how I do.
So
it.
something similar, but
Yeah, something similar
Okay.
but very different, which is not
Okay.
copied or which is not the same thing that they are showing
Yeah.
us. So that's how I always answer.
It's a very polite way of saying that तुम हमको हमारा काम मत सिखाओ.
True, exactly.
Yeah.
Over the course of your journey, what's the most weirdest client request you all ever received?
I think
Okay.
he might be having more answers. He's more experienced than me, no?
No, there were many weird things. Which one I should come across? That's how it is.
Whichever came to your mind first.
Weird.
I think you're trying to find which one is appropriate.
Yes,
in your
yes, that's the whole thing. So yeah, there was one client where he happens to say that from my bedroom,
Okay.
give me an access to the play area.
From the and where was the play area?
Play area was like a two on that same floor only,
Okay.
but there were two rooms, and after that it was there.
Okay.
So he wanted some kind of a small tube kind of thing,
Okay.
and he wanted to pass through that, which he had seen at some of the initially there were these Discovery channels and all that.
Yes.
Over there used to be all these kind of fancy houses in the US or the other country, where certain things he must have seen, and he wanted that same thing in his place.
Okay.
So it was something very weird, and
Did you execute that?
can't spoil my space just because a small
wants a
fanciness. Yeah, that fantasy was not appropriate for that house.
Right.
Yeah,
How do you all tell the clients no? Because I feel like
like
they
the way you just said.
just no directly.
Yes.
Do they get offended or how do they take it?
No for what? That is
Like,
the question.
No,
For
in the
example,
sense,
this tunnel
No
thing.
for the
anything.
for the
Like
ideas.
Idea,
the point
yeah.
is this, that
Yeah. For that we are like no.
Just directly.
Just directly no.
Oh,
That's how we
interesting.
again that it's more on a situation.
Okay.
We don't be
and
that
there are-
really blunt on it.
Exactly. No.
And also there are a lot of tones of no. No. So
See,
that makes
we
it-
need to have an audio of no. Cool. Okay, so that was the weird. Anything for you across these?
the
years?
weird thing, I'm not able to recall of that.
For sure, something weird.
One thing I would not say जो एकदम से अभी दिमाग में आ रहा है, it was weird for me personally,
Okay.
but not that. Right now we are doing a site.
Okay.
In that, so there are 6 people going to stay in the house.
Oh.
So the dadi, the grandmother of the house, she wants an access to the daughter's bedroom. Daughter's bedroom as in her son's daughter.
Got it. Yeah.
So her
Granddaughter.
Granddaughter.
Yeah. So she was like that I want the access to the daughter's room so her bedroom and daughter's room are
so
besides
that's
each
been
other.
divided from a bathroom.
Yeah.
So there's a bathroom and
In between, so there's this daughter's bedroom, there's this
Okay, got it. Yeah.
the dadi's
Right.
bathroom and dadi's
Got
there's a
bedroom.
walk-in.
Yeah.
You enter, there's a walk-in, then you walk ahead, there's the toilet.
Right.
So the
So
toilet
she
has a
wants-
common wall of
So
the bathroom.
she wanted the direct access to the daughter's bedroom from her bedroom. The reason we asked that why do you want to do this? You can
Yeah.
always go out of your bedroom
yeah, you can
and
just
enter
go,
the.
yeah.
She was like, नहीं अभी लड़की का एज बढ़ रहा है नजर रखनी है. I was like,
Okay.
that is very weird. नजर तुम बाहर से भी रख सकते हो
हाँ.
उधर से अंदर से क्यों और एक डोर देना है तुमको. I was like, no. So again there was no.
Mm.
That's not going to happen.
When you all handle clients, who is the bad cop and who's the good cop?
Situation.
Okay. Okay.
Sometimes I am, sometimes she is.
Okay.
So
Do you all have the same philosophy and ideology or do you all have something different?
no, there's always a clash.
Always a clash.
Always a clash.
Like instance?
Like if I say I want pink, she would say no, I will take peach. So
Okay, that's a similar tone. At the end, who wins?
again, situation.
Situation. Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a very diplomatic answer. Huh?
No, but that's honest. That's an honest
that is how it
answer
is.
because it's not. अभी काम में dominance नहीं आता है मेरा.
नहीं ये गलत है.
Okay.
No.
100% सच नहीं है. No तो नहीं बोलना है. ये 100% सच नहीं है.
Okay.
So that's something where there is a dominance. Then I have to give up.
But then that dominance always takes us to the good result.
Yeah.
So
That's why I
that's the
give up.
reason you give up.
Yeah, that's why I give up.
Yeah.
A woman's always right.
Exactly.
True.
That's why I give up. Again, I'm saying.
Cool, that was fun knowing about you all. Now we are moving to a more fun segment called the Whisper Challenge, wherein you'll be wearing earphones with loud music and the other person will be saying words wherein you have to guess it. So we are starting with you. These are the words.
Best of luck. Me, yawn.
Horn.
Knee, yawn. Knee. हाँ. आगे.
Horn.
हाँ.
Horn.
हाँ. उसके पहले. Knee. Knee, horn.
Ni hao.
How is that supposed to be with our interiors?
Can I remove?
Yeah.
Sorry. I literally used to feel that तू कोई Japanese बोल रहा था ni hao or something.
But that's not the one.
Speak clearly.
How much? I cannot be more clear than this.
Okay, go ahead.
Knee. Neon. Neon.
You're saying the same word again?
Yes. Neon. Neon.
King Kong?
King Kong is not into interiors. We are talking
I
about
can't hear you.
interiors. Interiors, neon. I can't show it with the same signs,
Next
right?
word, next word.
Okay.
Switch on to some other word.
Minimalism. Minimalism. It's very difficult for her to understand.
You don't know how to play this game.
Yes, it's my fault, right?
Yeah, your fault.
She can hear me. That she can hear so clearly. Wow. Me. Mini.
Billy.
Mini.
Meme.
Mini. हाँ.
Meme.
Mini.
Billy.
Mini.
B.
Me.
Bill.
अरे me. Mumbai me. Mini.
Maybe say the whole word.
Minimalism.
I'm not getting.
Neo. Ni. हाँ. O. I can't do any signs.
No, that will become
okay.
Damsharaj.
Neoclassical.
Open your mouth and say no.
Neoclassical.
I can just see your teeth.
Neoclassical. Neo.
King Kong.
King Kong कहाँ से है यार?
Next word.
Pop.
Pomp.
Pop art.
Pop art.
Nice.
Finally.
Nice.
Finally. Bohemian. Hemian.
Say again.
Bohemian.
Bohemian.
Nice.
Facade.
Fir. Fern.
Sad. Facade.
Fun. Fern.
सिर्फ फ
One.
वाला फ sad. Facade.
Fun task.
Facade.
Versace.
Facade. Okay, we're
Finish. Okay, now tell her the words.
Facade.
Cool. She
done.
got
Minimalism बोल रहा था, वहाँ पे मी बताया, नियो क्लासिकल बोल रहा था, नियॉन बोल रहा था, नियॉन, नी हाउ कहाँ से आ गया यार?
That's what तेरा lip sync वैसे ही लग रहा था.
cool. She got 2 right, so you have to be that.
Yeah. Blue prints.
Blue beach,
Prints.
blue bridge,
You can't play Damsharaj.
हाँ. Blue
blue
prints.
blue birch,
What?
Prints.
She's going prrr.
Prints.
blue
Prints. P.
blue pearl.
This is the usual thing. He won't understand anything that I say. Blueprints.
Blue pearl, blue beach, blue
We would love to see a blue beach.
Print.
Blue pearl.
Next word.
Let it be. Courtyard. Courtyard. Courtyard.
Hold glass.
Yeah,
Yeah, sure.
Hold glass.
Court.
Hold.
Court.
Old.
Court.
Gold.
Yard.
Next
Glass.
word.
Yard.
Dart. Dar.
Next word.
Chandelier. Chandelier.
Shanty.
Chandelier.
Huh?
Chandelier.
Chandelier.
Yeah. Accent. Wall.
Wall.
Accent.
Antique wall.
Accent. Ac.
R.
Ac.
Hat.
Ac.
Wall. पीछे का wall है. आगे का.
Accent. 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 Next word. Ottoman. Ottoman.
Horseback.
Ottoman ka horseback.
Auto. Auto. Auto.
Horseshoe is what I heard.
What does that?
Man.
Back.
Man.
Bath.
Man.
Back.
This is the statement. Statement.
Statement.
Okay, nice.
सुनाई दे रहा है तेरे को? ऑटो बनने समझ आया?
Even I was surprised.
I was like इतना जल्दी? चल ठीक है. Statement. Peace.
Peach.
Peace. Peace.
Peace.
Statement. Peace.
Statement piece.
Nice. That's it.
Done.
The clear winner of this round is you, of course.
Yeah, it's not that really easy to understand her
Exactly.
lips. It's better
Still, I was-
she's loud, so I can hear her voice from like this close to like a kilometer away. So that's something which is better than doing this.
Cool. And the winner of this round is
Thank
you.
you. I knew it. Anyways, I knew it.
Did you have fun?
Yes, we
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Cool. Getting back to something serious.
Yeah.
What is the future of KV Designs?
I think you should go first.
did. So obviously, we want to get ourselves more established,
Yeah.
doing better jobs, better projects, better finishes, everything.
Okay.
So yes, that's something which we want to do. So yes, where are we right now? We want
Yeah.
to go 2 or 3 notch ahead. That's something which we
Okay.
want to do, and spread to different cities than just Bombay in
Oh,
particular.
lovely. Nice.
Yeah.
What about you?
So, my goal is to be renowned, and how? Like, it should be that every other person should know KV Designs.
Okay.
So that is something on my list, and I'm sure I'll do that. So that's the thing. If we are going to be renowned, of course, we are going to have that level of work, and so all
Right.
those boxes are anyways ticked.
Right.
So the only thing is that I want to be renowned. Like, my company should be renowned.
Amazing. It will, of course. It
Yeah.
will.
Thank you.
A question to you, since you're a female in this industry, do you find any hardships when it comes to dealing with vendors, contractors, or that stereotype is broken?
Somewhere it is, somewhere
Okay.
it's not.
Okay.
Somewhere people are scared of her.
Oh, I
No.
think.
So yeah, to be honest, so it's like in our case, I'll talk
Yeah.
about my own experience.
Right.
He's practicing since 18 years.
Absolutely.
And I'm practicing since 6 years now.
Yeah.
So as we told you that KV, the name has been given 2 years back.
Yeah.
But in the industry, be it vendors, be it contractors, everybody knows him more.
Right.
And I have started so if I talk about KV,
Yeah.
I'm practicing since 6 years, but
Yeah.
KV mein kaam karne, like the thing that I started, so going on sites and dealing directly with the contractors and vendors and everything, it's just been 2 years for me.
Okay.
Before that, I was working in office, so wahan pe the work was different.
How is that
So,
experience?
Yeah, so here most of the people, they know him, right?
Okay.
So at times, whenever on sites, if I am handling one of the site completely, and if I've told something that
Yeah.
isko aise karna hai something,
Hmm.
they will not do it. They'll wait until he says.
Okay.
That was initials.
No, sometimes right now also it happens. It is very less.
Very
इतना ज़्यादा
less.
नहीं हो रहा है, but it happens.
Okay.
So that is somewhere where I feel that then there are different thoughts in my mind. Okay, he's the senior, maybe that's the reason, or they know him more.
Right.
And then there is, I don't know if that's the male-female thing happening
Okay.
over here, but this is something that I've experienced.
But now it's happening very less.
It
now.
is happening very less, yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Now we're heading to a quirky rapid fire round on who knows who better and who's more likely to. So let's start.
Yeah.
I think this is a relationship test. So who knows who better? Question to both of y'all. You have to answer.
Yeah.
What's your partner's favorite color? Very basic. Kaushal's favorite color.
All the colors.
All the colors.
I call him Pachrangi
Pachrangi.
because he likes everything that's colorful. So
Oh.
it will be injustice to him if I just name one color.
Okay. Is that true?
Yes, I don't want any distinguishing in colors.
Okay.
सारे color मेरे favorite.
Nice. What's her favorite color?
Purple.
Is that true? She has a question mark.
No, that's
No.
not true.
So what's your favorite color?
White.
ये कब से हुआ?
कब का है? हुआ नहीं है, कब का है?
Oh, okay.
मतलब interiors की बात नहीं हो रही है. हम बात कर रहे हैं personal.
Yeah, it's a personal. I
Okay.
like dressing up in white more. I like more of white clothes and all. So I'll just
So
say
she's
white.
wearing white today.
Yeah.
That's why it's her favorite color.
No, it's not that's why.
Cool. Next question. Who is more likely to forget an important deadline?
I think both of us,
No.
according to the situation,
We cannot forget a deadline. That's how.
no, at times, with me it has happened.
Okay.
With him, I don't know, but
No.
with me it has happened.
You're always on the go.
On deadlines, yes.
Okay. Cool.
Otherwise, I may forget a lot.
Cool. While designing, who is pickier about color palettes?
Me.
Okay.
Yes.
And how do you deal with that situation?
Then I leave it up to her.
That's the easiest way out.
I surrender.
Yeah. क्योंकि at the end में वही होने वाला है. So better that.
Cool. Who has the better sense of direction and who gets lost with Google Maps?
I
Please
do
share
get-
an incident.
I do get right.
Incidents.
Yeah.
Incidents.
Incidents, okay.
Yes. So it's simple. Google Map is showing certain things, but
Right.
I know a better route to reach there.
Okay.
So if
That's
I
you. That's
no
not
let me complete what I have to say. Google Map यही बता रहा है ना, तो हम ऐसे ही करेंगे. That is her thing. So
not
obviously,
wrong,
what is the point here is we know the city nicely. We know that यहाँ से निकलने से ये better होगा, ये होगा. She will never accept that. ये बताया जा रहा है ऐसे ही करो. उसमें मैडम बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि because of which she can reach to certain destination in say 15 minutes, but she has taken more than 45 minutes to reach there. Because Google Map has said that.
Okay. Got it.
And then she will blame Google Map only. इसको कुछ पता ही नहीं है. ये कुछ जानता ही नहीं
No,
है.
Google Map itself fucks it up a lot many times.
Okay.
I'm sure everybody must
Yeah,
have
yeah, for
experienced
sure.
that. So that's not my fault. And okay, this thing has also happened. You have taken ये रास्ता बराबर है और उधर वो पूरा रास्ता jam pack भरा हुआ है. What about that?
Very rare situation that takes
Always.
place.
When
Come
I
on.
am sitting in the car, it happens always.
Okay.
So you are the reason there are traffic. What else?
See, that's a good way of saying it. Cool. Who is better at handling last minute client changes?
Client changes.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
You.
Him.
Okay.
I'll be like, अभी ये कैसे change करने का नहीं करना है, बोल दे ये करते हैं. But then, so yeah.
He comes in. Okay, nice. Who is the first to crack a joke in a serious situation?
Him, of course.
Really?
He does. It's like I can never have a serious conversation with him.
Is it?
आता ही नहीं है serious बात करना. So of course him.
An
ये अभी
incident?
पर्सनल नहीं बात हो रही है और साइट वाइट की बात भी हो रही है.
Yeah.
नहीं.
Yes, it's me.
It's
Okay,
him
it's you.
only.
An incident you would like to share where you just laughed at a serious situation?
It happens. It's as per the situation at that moment of time that we are having a very heated argument. Like say talking about certain things, we are telling a client that नहीं ये चीज ऐसे नहीं रखो, इसका ये होगा, इसका वो होगा. There'll be like a longest of the conversation.
Okay.
And suddenly out of nowhere there'll be one punchline which makes the environment go lighter. So that's how I normally deal things.
Okay.
Which I may not come across right now to say it, but then that is how it normally happens.
Okay, cool. I think I know the answer to this question, but who is more likely to win an argument and why?
और ये झूठ होगा अगर मैं बोला मैं.
How do you get your way?
How?
So,
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
yeah. So it's a wrong thing, but
Okay.
it helps me.
Uh-huh.
Screaming and shouting is the best way कि सामने वाला कंटाल के ही बोल देगा कि हाँ तेरे को जो करना है कर, like, you know. And he hates loud noises.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the best thing for me. Even if he doesn't like it, I'll scream and shout at the top of my voice, and he'll be like, "Do whatever you want. हाँ ठीक है ऐसे
So
कर
out
लेंगे."
of many ammos what she has, this is one of the best of hers.
Ah, yes.
So it is
of
that
course. Cool. Who is the bigger shopaholic?
That's a very difficult one because both of us are
Yeah, you all both
crazy shopaholics, so we can't pick one out of.
नहीं मैं हूँ तेरे से ज़्यादा.
हाँ, true. Every other day there's the deliveries that are coming at home. कुछ ना कुछ
Him.
आते रहता है, so yeah, of course it's him, right?
I was
Okay.
being sarcastic by
No,
the way.
so
Let
that's
me
what
be
I'm
this way, I was
saying,
being
that when I
sarcastic.
go for shopping,
Yeah.
I do bulk shopping कि मेरे को फिर बार-बार मंगवाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, and उसका ऐसा है एक दो चीज पूरे साल में आती रहेगी.
Okay.
So then हिसाब करने बैठेंगे, so it's going to be the same.
Exactly. You. I'm not that.
You are also.
Cool. If you could switch lives with one celebrity for a day, who would it be and why? Or
You
any
want to go
famous
first?
person.
You want to go first?
I think
You're
he's
thinking,
Yeah.
that's why. Celebrity.
Or any famous person.
Yeah, so I would rather go for a billionaire. So I
Okay.
would go for Ambani's. Like I want to live their life once. How is it?
Okay.
कैसे सब होता है? Celebrities are fine.
Ambani.
Yeah.
So what about you?
A sports person.
Name?
Like say I would like to switch my life with say Ronaldo.
Oh.
Yes, that's what I would do. Ronaldo से अच्छा actually it will be Beckham, David Beckham.
Ah,
Yes. So
I agree.
rather than a celebrity, those are the people I would like to do.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
For multiple reasons.
Yeah,
Obviously,
for sure.
one of the reasons is love for the sport,
Yeah.
football in particular,
Mm-hmm.
and obviously the whole glamour
Right.
which is surrounding it.
Yeah. Cool.
So it's that way.
if you were not in this profession, what was your backup plan?
Fashion designing, yeah.
And you? I think now you mentioned sports. So was football ever an inclination?
No, football was never.
Never. Okay.
But yes, fashion was basically
Fashion.
the one.
I think
Yes.
both of y'all fashion.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. Your last question. A secret that no one knows about y'all.
We are KV. Not Kawal, that,
Like good one.
that's the secret.
Okay. Nice. Same?
Yeah.
Okay.
उसके अलावा nothing that I
Nothing.
can think of. Yeah.
There's no secret about Kaushal that you would want to expose him over here. And same for her as well, huh?
No, then ये पूरा podcast और 1 घंटे का हो जाएगा
Oh.
like. So I'll start, bitching about him. He's like this. No, but I think that answer is fine. KV.
Cool. An advice you would like to give to the design fraternity?
So off lately, like we have few events which are taking place
Right.
where there's a good bond which has happened between the designers
Yeah.
and the architects.
Right.
It's not like we are a competitor.
Mm-hmm.
More than that, we are helpful friends to each other.
Correct. Right.
So that's something which has been like a blessing in disguise, where we are not taking them as I said, competitors, but they become good friends. So that's something which is good. So
Okay.
what I would rather put it in a way that there has to be a forum where if someone are in a trouble,
Right.
say trouble in terms of the site where things are not happening in a proper way,
Mm-hmm.
or the client troubles, monetary troubles, contractors troubles.
Right.
So a place where certain helps is being provided to each other
Okay.
in that way, or certain, say, contractors need certain vendors or certain material which they it's difficult to find. So those one platform where commonly people can exchange their knowledge, exchange their way of handling certain situations, or a way to say if for example a BOQ.
Yeah.
So this is a better way to make a BOQ.
Yeah.
Some
Very
people who have done some are more intricate at doing certain things. Some are
Right.
more good at doing more detailing kind of things.
Right.
Intricate in terms of how to do the billing part or how to do
Yeah.
what.
Yeah.
So those are the things where people can exchange. I'm sure
Okay.
many people may take that in a way that this is my trademark. I can't share it with someone.
Mm-hmm.
So that certain thing is up to them. But
Mm-hmm.
in a way, if they can help another person,
Right.
it'll be a very good thing.
That is actually true.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you basically be more supportive.
To each
Towards
other, yes.
in the fraternity. Yeah. That is true.
That will grow, make us unite in a lot many ways. It will
Yeah.
be helpful.
Yeah, true. Is that the same advice you would like to
Yeah, I can't think of anything else, but that pretty much clears all the points. So yeah.
share? Okay, amazing. Your last question for this. How is the store and how is your experience on Guide?
The collection is amazing. It's really nice. The experience center did give us a very good experience about each and everything. We are looking forward to work with you guys very
Amazing.
soon, and we are really very happy visiting the experience center. It's really nice.
What about the podcast? About Guide?
Podcast was super fun. It was super fun and we had a blast. So yeah.
What about you?
Yeah. So when it comes to the store, there are a lot of unique things, which is very good, like the highlighting points of the whole store. And yes, we are looking forward to get associated with them in that perspective. Coming to the podcast, I believe we had a great time
Oh, thank you.
interacting with you and trying to know that हम इस तरीके से भी चीजें like we kind of seeing a different angle of how
Right.
things are between us
Yeah.
for our firm and all those things. So there are different things which actually popped out that ये भी ऐसा है. So that's thanks to you that we are
Thank you, thank you.
actually exploring those angles also,
Now you know our favorite color is white.
which may change after a while.
Okay. Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
And that's a wrap.